Hi guys, it's Craz-E Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event because today is the last day. So, before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, I don't know what you're waiting on. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It's right down below this video, and while you're at it, do your girl a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel, and then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so let's go ahead and jump right in. Now, like I said, we're going to be talking about the Dollar General clearance event because today, October the 5th, is the last day that we could get in on any of these deals, alright? So, I have already uploaded a ton of videos for you on my YouTube channel, so make sure that you check all of those out if you haven't already. They will all be linked and listed for you in the pinned comment right down below this video. And one last reminder on this clearance event, don't forget that we have tons of seasonal categories that are included, and we also have a lot of buy one get one free sales that are going on, but today is the last day that we can get in on all of those deals. Now for this video that you guys are watching right now, I wanted to focus mostly on coupon matchups. So we do have some older clearance items, we have newer clearance items, but every item that you see in this video has a coupon matchup. So we have super cheap items, we have freebies, we have overages. So remember that overage will only work on the old registers, not the new registers, and not at self-checkout. But old registers, you can still get overage. And don't forget that you have to have something else in your transaction for that overage to apply to. Never, ever, ever let the cashier give you cash back, all right? And also, you're going to see a few money makers as well. So I have abbreviated money makers with MM. So if you see MM, that's a money maker. Now, before I turn on the music, I do want to go ahead and give everybody a quick little heads up that I have about 3 videos coming out over the next couple of days. So make sure that y'all have those notifications turned on and set them to all. I think that YouTube has finally forgiven me just a little bit from taking a few days off, and it looks like notifications are working a lot better than they were last week. Subscription feeds, my videos are showing up there, and it looks like my videos are actually making it out into the algorithm a little bit better. We're back on track and back where we were before I took those few days off. So thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and please don't forget to do all the things. You guys are so important to this channel. So please do not forget to hit the thumbs up. Leave me some kind of comment in the comment section. And if you watch the videos all the way through, it really does help me out. Alright guys, so we are almost to the end of the video now, and I am very curious to find out how you all did on this clearance event. If you have any pictures of hauls or items that you found during the clearance event, I would absolutely love to see those. You can send them to my email, which is crazycoupons1@gmail.com, or you can reach out to me over on Instagram. It's @crazycoupons. I've already received a few pictures, and I'm going to be putting my haul together today and taking pictures, and I cannot wait to share with you all. But that is going to be it for me for now. I hope y'all enjoyed this video, and before you go, don't forget to do all the things. Subscribe, turn on those notifications, hit that thumbs up button, and leave me a smile down in the comment section below. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a beautiful day, and I will see you on the next one.